few videos back we spoke about some nutrients, one particular nutrient, vitamin C or vitamin G. Today I'm going to introduce you another nutrient very important, which you can find in tomatoes or capsicum and other fruit and veg, which is lycopene. So we're going to talk about this, what it is exactly and what it's good for. Let's begin with talking about plants and humans. Humans and plants, they're all both looking after their health. So how the plants looking after their health? The plants are producing phytonutrients. And Nick, you thought you were putting this word in there for me to pronounce it wrong, but I done it right. Phytonutrients. Now, why they're producing phytonutrients? What they do is they help to get an immunity against diseases or any pest attack or bug attack and any diseases that these bugs can carry. So one of these phytonutrients is lycopene, and it's very good for the plant, but it's also very good for the humans. How does the lycopene help us? So what I found important to share with you guys is number one. What is free radicals? We spoke about with the video of the vitamin C. They are unstable atoms within our body, which is they're causing damages to our body cells. They can outnumber our antioxidants and therefore putting ourselves in a status called oxidative stress. Oxidative stress. It sounds smart, but it's very complicated to say. This oxidative stress is linked to the development of diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. But with daily intake of lycopene, will balance it all out. That's what the study says. They may balance it all out and therefore reduce the free radicals. Well, we go to number two. Lycopene, being a nutrient with high volume of antioxidants, it can slowly prevent cancer, breast cancer, or prostate cancer. Now, there has been a later study which says if with a daily intake of 9% of lycopene, it may help to lower the likelihood of developing a prostate cancer. Number three, it may lower the chances to get side effect from the sun. Very important, I believe, for us Australians. On 12-week study on a group of people, put it right here, this first group of people, and a second group of people, right here. The first one, group A, they had for 12 weeks tomato sauce and olive oil. Group B, he had just olive oil and other fruit and vegetables. Now, they found out when they were going out of the sun, they had tomato sauce and olive oil, they had between a 40 to a 50% or less effect or redness or burnt on the skin. So this is very important. So lycopene helps you to protect you from a sunburn or from the sunlight. Now, it's not that you have to go and you get a box of tomato and you start to rub tomatoes like this on your skin. Please do not do that. Do not do that. Just eat it. Well, now we are at the very end, and thank you for watching the video. Please, if you do like the video, push the like and share the video. I love you. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.